Fantastic room in the heart of Chinatown, Malaysia. KL, Kuala Lumpur. I mean, get to do some editing right by the window. Hey guys. Nice overhead shower. Very clean, very clean. Place to put your stuff. Nice double bed. Nice and soft. Not like Thailand. It's got some bounce in it. Get your TV. Let me show you the view. We're talking right in the middle of Chinatown. As you see from the drone shot, the main downtown strip is right under that bridge. The convenience of this place, fantastic, fantastic. Let me show you the rooftop. That's pretty special too. And in the morning or nighttime, come out here, have coffee, a cigarette, and you're on top of the roof. And you sit and have a beer or a drink. Look at the second tallest building in the world, 118 stories. But yeah, incredible views. Super nice. Super nice. Oh, there must be a bicycle tour going on of the city. That's cool. But yeah, location is amazing. I'll show you in a minute how quick and close it is. Downtown, Chinatown. Right. Staff here, amazing, super friendly. We're gonna show them how close it is to Chinatown. All right, guys. Straight outside. We get the local street restaurants here. All the fish. Many kinds of fish. And look, we're already here. We are already downtown. Got 7-Eleven, Texas chicken. Oh, you don't need a Texas chicken. You want the local food. It's cheap and delicious. And, oops, sorry. And look how quick it is. So fast. And you're right here already. Thank you. Watches. Wonderful. I know. I'm making a quick video.
Oh, your video?
Yeah. Thank you. Show my people beautiful Chinatown. All kinds of stores going on. Vape, wallets, socks. That's what I need. I need a new pair of socks. 10 ringgit. I wonder how many pairs of socks. My guy's not open yet, I don't think. Fendi, Prada, Louis, backpacks. And it goes on for like 4 blocks in all directions. Here we got food, watches, clothes. I'm not sure what this is. Looks good. Oh, I'm gonna have to try me some of that. I didn't bring my wallet, but it's up in the room. Bags, all types of souvenirs. But the food smells so good. Look at this Chinese food. Wow. Traditional Chinese outfits. And they're beautiful.
Yeah, give your girlfriend.
Thank you. Get for my girlfriend. Did you hear that? Oh, if you can only smell the durian. The durian smells amazing. If you like durian. It only smells amazing if you love durian. Ice cream. All these good snacks. And this is like Restaurant Street here. All kinds of restaurants. Not to mention you got that second tallest building in the world. Durian, Chinese. You got coffee shops, a little bit of everything going on. You need some keys made, some jewelry. Even if you're missing the taste of home, you have KFC, Domino's, and then Watson's. It's like a long strugs, so, like a Rite Aid, basically. They got a pharmacy. Let me show you the next. That's an old tower. You can go to the top and it rotates. You got a monorail system over there. But yeah, beautiful city, beautiful. Exceeded my expectations for Kuala Lumpur. Tonight I'm gonna go see the River of Life. And they turn the river blue. It's supposed to be very beautiful. They always want to sell me a phone or a SIM card. But they're nice. Everyone here is super friendly, super nice. And here's the hotel name again. Grey Hotel. There's my room. Is all the windows open? That's mine. Yes. Okay. Let's go get the wallet so we can go eat. Beep, beep. Security. Good, good.